Sawadee Krap, welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. Finally, the beaches in Phuket will reopen Tuesday, June 9th. Since March 28, the Phuket beaches have been closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, but Governor Phakapongtavipat over the weekend issued an order to reopen all of the island's beaches this Tuesday, June 9th. In the order, the government said beach goers should wear face masks and stay at least 1 meter apart from each other, in addition to washing or sanitizing your hands. The order also called for municipalities to control the number of people allowed at each beach to prevent crowding, although no specifics were available on that. Meanwhile, the Phuket Land Transport Office and driving schools across the island are allowed to open all services on June 22nd, but driver license renewals can restart immediately. Over in Bangkok, meanwhile, officials are threatening business operators with legal action for violating social distancing rules after fans mobbed a movie theater in the capital on Friday as fans thronged Paragon Cineplex in Bangkok during a promotional meet and greet with actors from a popular Thai TV series. In response to that incident, the operator of the mall and cinema, Siam Piwak Co., they've ordered a 3-day shutdown to, quote, improve safety and health measures for moviegoers and issued an apology. Thai officials have considered cinemas to be in the moderate risk category of businesses amid the pandemic and were allowed to reopen just over a week ago, but officials have been cautious, although they're now considering reopening daycare services and nightclubs potentially in the next stage of the easing of the restrictions, which may take place on June 15th, but nothing is set in stone yet. Stay up to date with the latest on thepuketnews.com. 7 new coronavirus cases in Thailand today, while Phuket reports 2 straight weeks with no new announced cases. The new total for the nation is 3,119, with the death toll still at 58 for the nation. No new cases for Phuket for the 14th straight day. All the new cases in Thailand were Thais who recently returned from the Middle East and were found in quarantine. As officials say, no new confirmed cases were found inside Thailand for nearly 2 weeks. The number of Thais returning from abroad is being capped at about 500 per day, officials say, which is why they're speeding up efforts to secure an additional 9,000 rooms for use as state quarantine facilities once those Thai nationals land in the kingdom. All the rooms are from cooperating hotels in Bangkok and the south of Thailand. For more, visit thepuketnews.com. 2.9 billion baht is about to be spent on revitalizing the local economy as the Phuket government looks to use the money on projects helping businesses restart in the aftermath of the COVID-19 outbreak. The Phuket government has been allocated 2.9 billion baht to support 103 business operators and business projects meant to support the local economy. The projects must be related to agriculture and community tourism as well. For more, visit thepuketnews.com. Phuket saw heavy downpours over the weekend that caused minor flooding in major roads across the island. Now the Thai Meteorological Department is saying more is yet to come. A weather warning has been issued for the Andaman coastal provinces as the southwest monsoon brings isolated heavy rains to the region from now until Wednesday. For more, visit thepuketnews.com. A project to help ex-convicts attain jobs after serving time, it's starting to take shape. Now the Justice Ministry is saying the next part is to establish skilled development centers for unemployed prisoners to help them even more. The Justice Ministry, along with the Ministry of Finance, are cooperating in the project, providing double tax deductions for 2 years to companies in Thailand that hire former prisoners. The head of the Justice Ministry, Somsak Tepsutin, says the ministry now wants to set up skills development centers across the country to help promote employment of ex-convicts, calling on ministries with large land holdings to give up some of it to build these new centers. Minister Somsak told the Bangkok Post, quote, "We do not want to build more jails, but if we have to, the new prisons will be soft prisons, which are cheaper to build. They will also serve as places where we develop skills for inmates." For more, visit thepuketnews.com. And that's it for Phuket Extra today, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. We'll be back tomorrow with all the news you missed. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000 and luxury properties can go all the way up to 20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks-and-mortar investment offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.